Yeah, man, I got this photo shoot right now. I'm getting ready for it. I gotta pack up this lights and I gotta pack up this for the green screen and everything. Running a little bit behind schedule, but I wanted to make this video and take you guys with me so this you can see the diversity from multimedia to the smoking videos to live showcases to the radio station to everything. This is a good channel and I appreciate all the support. So just go ahead and just continue to show support. Maybe hit a sub, leave a comment or anything, share. Everything's appreciated. But stay tuned.
I had to show the whole world I was a fool. I never let my nigga down.
Hi, we just finished up with the photo shoot. We took some really good shots. I can't wait for me to look at them, and I look forward to working with you very soon again.